Namaste everyone. Welcome to English Paths. So today we are talking on Indian cricketers who struggled with English and but still became legends. Okay, so when we think of international cricketers, we imagine players who can smash sixes, take wickets, and also give confident interviews. Okay, that too in fluent English. I am a true cricket lover. I watch cricket like anything with the same passion all of us see on TV. Okay, wish one day I can go to the stadium and watch cricket. Okay, so when they can speak so confidently in interviews in fluent English, but the truth is different. Okay, let's look into some of those. Some of India's biggest cricket legends who once struggled to speak even basic English. Okay, so today we'll talk about those champions, how they prove that language is never a barrier to greatness. Okay, greatness is something different from a language barrier, isn't it? Don't you feel the same? So stay with me till the end. Okay, whom do you want to begin with? Any ideas? Comment in the section. Any ideas? Yeah. If you're thinking that way, I am taking first Hardik Pandya. How many of us don't love Hardik Pandya? Yeah, the way he talks, his screen presence, the way he plays on ground. It's excellent, man. He's such a nice guy. We love you, Hardik Pandya. So, yeah, his name itself brings excitement in the viewers. We have a lot of fan followers for Pandya. So, he's a powerful all-rounder and he has made his debut in 2016 and he has quickly become a fan favorite. Okay, so, but in his early days, Hardik ji wasn't comfortable speaking English. If I'm not wrong, Hardik ji, if you happen to watch my video on YouTube. And during his interviews, he often hesitated if we have a nice observation over him as a cricketer. But on the field, he was always fearless. He was always fearless. And fast forward to today, Hardik is not only the match winner, but also gives confident reviews, cracks jokes, isn't it? Cracks jokes. And he even captains India in major tournaments. He learned English through experience, practice, and pure determination. Determination is one key we would like to tell that Pandya ji has taken. We would take that as an inspiration for our viewers, for our listeners, for our audience, because this cricketer is one such person who came up in life with a true example of how he learned his English. So he has proved your game speaks louder than your grammar. One legend. Next, which cricketer do you want me to speak on? Come on, comment below. Whom else you want me to talk? Hardik Pandya ji is over. Then, which cricketer do you think struggled with English? Next, we'll go with Jasprit Bumrah. Okay, he is India's deadly bowler. Okay. India's next level deadly bowler is Jasprit Bumrah. So Bumrah's Yorkers have shattered stumps all over the world. So, but early in his career, Bumrah wasn't very fluent in English. But today he has come up. If I'm making any wrong comments or if I'm giving any wrong judgments or wrong statements, you are very free to tell me. And at press conferences, you could see him very carefully choosing his words. Have you observed? Very carefully chosen words, Jasprit Bumrah ji. And he was very shy. He was very nervous, but he never gave up. Jasprit never gave up, and today Bumrah comfortably faces international media, gives post-match speeches, and has become India's largest cricketing minds both on and off the field. Okay, so once again, Jasprit Bumrah stands as an icon of talent and hard work. No matter what, he has a fluent English. He has worked. So let's take him as one of those legends, as our inspiration, as our legend to speak English fluently. Next, whom do we talk of? Guess. Yeah, Mohammad Shami. So, master of swing bowling. If you are a real cricket fan, you know how Shami plays. So his journey is nothing short of inspiration. Coming from a humble background, English was never his first priority. Okay, for some players, language doesn't become a priority because playing itself matters. So his focus was only one thing: cricket. Mohammad Shami's only thing was cricket. So in early interviews, Shami struggled with English questions. Sometimes he would switch to Hindi, sometimes he would answer in broken English. So, but with time, Shami has improved. He polished not just his game but also his communication skills. Okay, cricketers stand like that in front of the camera. Then today he stands proud, an experienced senior player and a confident speaker when needed. So, Hardik Pandya ji, Jasprit Bumrah ji, Mohammad Shami, we all are seeing such legends speaking fluent English today. Hope you not miss taking them as your inspirations to speak in English. Isn't it? Yeah. Then, whom else do you think stand as our inspiration to speak in English today? Guesses. Next, Navdeep Singh, India's rising fast ball stars. He's one of India's rising fast ball stars. When he first burst onto the scene, English wasn't his strength, actually. But his raw pace and dedication caught everyone's attention. Like Navdeep quietly worked on his skills, both in cricket as well as communication. Even if he wasn't perfect, he didn't let fear stop him from speaking. Have you observed that quality in him? If yes, comment yes in the comments. Okay, Saini's story teaches us, don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking, keep improving. Done? So, whom doesn't like Jadeja? Yes, Ravindra Jadeja is the ultimate all-rounder. Today, Jadeja is a rock star, isn't it? He's the rock star. Crowds chant his name. He dominates both with bat and ball, isn't it? So, but early on, Jadeja too wasn't fluent in English. Jadeja ji, if I'm not wrong, if I'm correct, even if you are seeing my video, please, I want you to watch my video. Then he used to avoid long interviews and kept his answers short, actually. Now he delivers bold, witty replies in English, confidently handling international media. So, Ravindra Jadeja ji, I want to see you in stadium at any stadium soon. Let's meet. So Jadeja's journey shows that self-belief beats self-doubt in every single time. Self-belief beats self-doubt every single time. Done? Do you agree with all the players' journey I'm talking here? If you agree, let me know through your comments. Okay, then Rishabh Pant. Finally, Rishabh Pant, India's energetic wicket-keeper batsman. Pant is famous for his daring shots and fearless attitude. Yeah, his face, we understand. But when it came to English, Pant wasn't as aggressive as he was on the ground. He often struggled with early interviews mixing Hindi and English. It's common with all the players we see who are initially into the sport. But instead of worrying, Pant kept focusing on his game and kept practicing in English behind the scenes. So today he handles media and all the sessions with his signature charm and humor, both in Hindi as well as English. Pant proves that consistency wins both the pitch and in life. So what the main message I wanted to bring to your attention was all these cricketers, Hardik Pandya, Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami, Navdeep Saini, Ravindra Jadeja, Rishabh Pant, once struggled to speak in English, but they never let language stop their dreams, isn't it? To have a dream in your kind of favorite sport should not stop you from speaking in English, isn't it? They showed us that success is not about speaking fancy English. Success is about action, passion, dedication, and also constant improvement. Okay, they just learn English with time, just like they learn cricket shots, bowling swings, and game strategies. And if they can do it, you can do it too, bro. So never be ashamed of your broken English. Broken English today has become fluent English of tomorrow. So what matters is the courage to start, practice, and just keep going. Just like the cricket matches go, let also your English speaking journey go. So next time you hesitate to speak because you fear making mistakes, remember our cricket heroes. Okay, cricket heroes stand, they speak, they practice, they grow. Because in game of life, fluency will come, but fearless efforts must start today. If you love this video, don't forget to share, and subscribe to English Pulse. Together, we'll build confidence word by word. Thank you.